Is the sound of silence your unwanted teammate in PUBG Mobile on iOS? Let's fix those audio gremlins and get you back in the game with crystal clear sound. First, let's head over to your iPhone's main settings, scroll down and tap on Sound and Haptics. Make sure your volume slider isn't set to 0 and that you haven't accidentally muted all sounds. Next, let's check your control center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access it. Ensure the ringer isn't muted. If it is, simply tap the bell icon to unmute. Now, let's dive into PUBG Mobile's in-game settings. Tap the gear icon at the bottom, then navigate to the Audio tab. Here, verify that your master, SFX, and voice volume sliders are all set to a reasonable level. Experiment to find the perfect balance for your playstyle. Pay close attention to the SFX slider, as this controls crucial in-game sound effects like footsteps and gunfire. Check your audio quality setting. If you are still experiencing issues, try switching from high to medium or low to reduce the load on your device and potentially resolve sound glitches. Go back to your iPhone settings and tap on notifications. Scroll down to PUBG Mobile, then check to see if notifications are enabled. If they aren't, enable notifications with sounds. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you should be well on your way to enjoying PUBG Mobile with clear, immersive audio. Now get out there and dominate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PUBG Mobile tips and tricks.